Hi, in this section, we want to present the BMW logo animation. Open a new composition, insert the logo file into a composition, press S to show the scale, increase the scale a little higher, right click and select New, then select Solid. Type linear wipe in the effect and preset section, and then insert this effect on the solid. By changing the transition completion, we see how this solid changes. Also, by changing the wipe angle, the direction of the movement changes. Now, we want to insert the keyframe for transition completion. Set the value to 100 at the first. Press U to show the keyframe. Move it forward. Then set the transition completion to 0 until the solid completely covers the screen. Increase the feather a little until its edge comes out of that sharp state. Well, press play and see that it moves in this state. Now, move the keyframe forward a little to increase its speed. Right click on the solid, select Pre-Compose. Active, move all attribute into the new composition item, then press OK. Create another new solid, right click, select New, and then select Solid and press OK. This time, type fractal noise in Effect and Preset section and insert this effect on a new solid. Pre-compose the solid too. This time rename it to fractal noise. In the next step, search for displacement map in the Effect and Preset section. Insert displacement map on the solid of pre-comp that we made before. Select fractal noise in displacement map layer menu. Set to 0 max horizontal displace and set to 60 max vertical displacement. Now, if set to off the fractal noise layer, the solids we made before will be this. Select the two pre-comp we made and right click, then pre-compose and rename it and type fractal wave and press OK. Type set matte in the Effect and Preset section. Insert this effect on the fractal wave pre-comp. Select luminance from Use for Matte section. Search for Simple Choker in the Effect and Preset section. Insert Simple Choker on the pre-comp layer. Raise Choke Matte, and we can see the edge of the layer look like this. In the following Truth Trick Matte section, if you don't have, by clicking toggle switch it becomes clear. Alpha Inverted Matte the logo layer on the fractal wave of pre-comp. You see, it will be so. You can see where the pre-comp is, the logo layer does not show. Select two layers that we have, right click, select pre-comp and rename it Logo Wave. Enter the project section, Duplicate the logo wave layer. Select bottom layer and press Alpha Inverted Matte on the top layer from the Trick Matte section. As you can see, a white border was created on it. Now, we just need to move the top layer a little further back. Now you can see how it changed. As you can see, the transition completion speed that we initially set for the solid has become a bit faster. So select the fractal wave layer and white solid. Press U to show the keyframe. We slightly change the location of the keyframes to slow down the speed of passing wheel. Now it seems that the speed has already improved. Search for the simple choker in the effect and preset section. Insert simple choker on the bottom logo wave layer. Now, if you increase the amount of choke matte, you will see that the edges take on a better shape. Again, type fractal noise in the effect and preset section. Insert this effect on the bottom logo layer. Reduce its brightness a little and also complexity. In the picture, you can see how it changed. Also define the expression for evolution, so press Alt or Option in Mac and click a stopwatch and then type wiggle 10. First 10 is for number of time that happened until the end of the timeline, and second 10 is for the intensity of evolution that changed. Again, search for tritone in the effect and preset section. Insert this effect on the pre-comp layer. As you can see, it gave us 3 color mode: highlights white, midtones brown, shadows black. We change the color of the midtone and turn it red. You can see how the image turned out. We also changed the highlight to an almost gold color. Now, as you can see, this part took on the state of burn and fire. At the end, we open a new composition from Composition tab. Rename its name to Final, then insert the precomp of Logo Wave into the Final. Enter comp 1 in Final. Thoroughly? Well, now you just need to come to comp 1 above the logo wave. Move forward comp 1 layer a bit. The final image is exactly what we want. And the last step, for the background, we improve the logo to the final comp. Press S to show the scale, increase its size until it will cover the screen completely. Type Fast Box Blur in the Effect and Preset section. Insert this effect on the logo layer. If you increase blur radius, you see it changes this way. Iteration is set to 3 here, and if it's horizontal and vertical, which of course is not what we want here, enable repeat edge pixel, and this is animation of BMW logo.